Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be doing this look that I seen the other day on Instagram, and I'm going to be using this 26-inch unit that I got from Virgo Hair. I freaking love this wig, you guys, and I can't wait to show you guys exactly how I got this look. So without further ado, let's get started. So today I'm going to be doing a review for Virgo Hair, and I decided that I wanted to do bangs. I've actually never have done bangs ever on my channel, and I was like, that's crazy. Like, I definitely need to. Now, I had cut my hair in bangs like last year for my birthday. If you guys watched that vlog, last year's vlog, then you guys saw that. And I just had it straight down with bangs, but I didn't really like them on myself. And then I was like a lot chubbier at the time, so it just really made my face look really fat. It did not do nothing for me. So today I'm gonna do bangs, but I'm gonna have it like lifted up and away from my face. So I'm gonna have like my half up. I know I'm always doing a half up, but it's just what I like. I really like how straight this hair is, and I'm just like, I just feel like when I flat iron this, it's gonna be so bomb. So I'm gonna do that, and then right now I'm just gonna press out my roots. I do have my hot comb preheating at the moment, and I have been letting it preheat for like maybe 5 minutes or so. So in the meantime, we're gonna get our base ready. You guys already know what we do over here. So without further ado, let's get into this tutorial, shall we?
Like you're shooting porn, 5K ring, bullet pointers, tell me where you're going. Need a baker, hand around the neck, one fuck Undertaker. If my diamonds had a voice, it would sound like Fantasia. $1 million on my jewelry, big appraisal. Nigga ball like the Rovens. If he's skelly fully frozen. wrist, all commotion. Rocks on my wrist, so white, need a whole pound of lotion. Diamond be wet like the ocean. Wanna watch like this, pussy is concoction by a pretty token. Big hairs and they
Real nigga flooded. Ice. If a nigga hate him, call him Joe Budden. Cool outside in his first buttons.
at that nigga.
Know what that pussy like peekaboo, 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 know what that money like peekaboo, know what these bitches like peekaboo, woke ass bitch ass nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these bitches do, peekaboo, 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 nigga, I'm not finna. Red eye on his snow like dog. Pull up to the scene all white with the roof off. Take that little bitch to the roof. Chris, look at that fuck on her sister, I'm ruthless. Chill on the 6 when I'm fucking on Gucci. The bitch was ugly but pussy on smooth. Play with that kitty like hello. Take a step and then I bust it like mellow. I mean that you and your fellows. My new bitch yellow. She throw that dick like a cello. Pocket that sin, that bitch, I'm on the metro. That nigga feel like a bitch. Mercedes friends, they be hiding my vision. Make sure all my niggas eat, that's the mission. No more wishing, I'ma go get it, go get it. Know what that pussy like peekaboo, 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 know what that money like peekaboo, know what these bitches like peekaboo, woke ass bitch ass nigga, I'm not finna. Peekaboo, 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 nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these bitches do. Red eye on his snow like dog. Pull up to the scene all white with the roof off. Take that little bitch to the roof. Chris, look at that fuck on her sister, I'm ruthless. Chill on the 6 when I'm fucking on Gucci. The bitch was ugly but pussy on smooth. Play with that kitty like hello. Take a step and then I bust it like mellow. I mean that you and your fellows. My new bitch yellow. She throw that dick like a cello. Fuck it, that sin, that bitch, I'm on the metro. That nigga feel like a bitch. Mercedes friends, they be hiding my vision. Make sure all my niggas eat, that's the mission. No more wishing.
Open your eye, bitch, you see all this money. Beat that little bitch, tape a brick to a stomach. You not the game, we don't kick it up, honey. Chip out the rape and I read the Titanic. Look at the numbers, mechanics ain't frontin'. I came from the lit with this jet like I punished. Oh, pulling the phone for the crew. Wow, my niggas come back with cool. We capping. I came from trapping. I used to have the dope stats in the cabinet. Mama couldn't tell me shit, what was my daddy? Look at my paddock, I'm flexing on petty. I put the pussy the first time I met it. Won't give you no credit, you ate it spaghetti. I could the brick, cut the bitch with machete. Married the money, the bitch wasn't ready.
Know what that pussy like peekaboo, 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 know what that money like peekaboo, know what these bitches like peekaboo, woke ass bitch ass nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these bitches do. Peekaboo, 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 nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these bitches do.
Dropped out Audi 2013. White cocoa, butterfly wings, 2K17. Ice, came out the machine. Ice, came out the machine. Ice baby, Draco, Uzi, Tummy SK, all machines. Yeah, hey, pull up on the side on them. Let the clip ride on them. Hey, fuck 12, open fire on them. 12, open up fire on them. I'm tucking my chain, I'm with the gang. Hit you with brain, scatter a shower, dick on the rain. I said I sleep these niggas in pain.
Know what that pussy like peekaboo, 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 know what that money like peekaboo, know what these bitches like peekaboo, woke ass bitch ass nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these rappers do.
That wrist white is the paddock, believe. Man, white bitch with a paddock, you need. Smoking no bitches for granted, trees. I get rocket, go gadget, go. I make them play, Madden, John. I know it was some speculation about who the one, but we invented the dab. Fuck it, we just let them have it.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dog, we gon' see how hard
So you guys, this is officially the finished look. I did wrap some hair around the ponytail and the edges look so natural. I barely even had to pluck it. I plucked the hairline like a little teensy bit on the sides, but other than that, I mean, you guys saw how the hairline was looking, and look like how transparent this lace is. Like, I'm gonna zoom y'all in. Like, this lace is so freaking bomb. It looks like scalp all the way throughout, even over to this side. I really like this hair, and then I just have it like kind of coming forward but not, and then it can also go all to the back like such. I like it both ways, honestly. I'm just gonna go ahead and change into my outfit, and then I will be right back. All right, you guys, so this is officially the finished look. I just have my hair flat ironed, just kind of going to the back, but if you wanted to, you can have this like up front like this, and then coming down on the sides like this. But I kind of like mine like all the way to the back. I don't know, I just really like how this looks a little bit more, like, because you can really see my face, and then it's just like a little bit of bang. Very quick and easy look. I mean, I put this outfit on with it. It's like a little one piece kind of, but it's like separate, and it comes with like this. It has like a little scarf to go with it, but I'm not wearing the scarf obviously because we have this beautiful hairstyle. The quality of this hair is absolutely amazing. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this hair. This hair has given me no problems at all. But yeah, I absolutely freaking love this hairstyle on me. Like, I don't know how y'all feel about it, but like, sis, like, I just feel like I look like a hottie. I just pretty much copied this hairstyle that I seen on Instagram the other day from Kyle, TheRealKyleSister, or Ari or whatever, you know, Eric and Tay's best friend. I was on her Instagram and she had a hairstyle like similar to this. At first I was gonna put this like in a little top knot, so I was gonna like wrap it up like this. I'm gonna show y'all anyway, just in case somebody wants to wear their hair like this too. But yeah, I was just gonna wrap it up in like one of these little top knots or whatever, like spread it out a little bit, and then I was just gonna wear it like this, which is still really cute. Like, I can do both ways. The wig is a little bit thin though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this is all of the hair that's down, and then the rest is up. But like, oh, even this is super cute. I really like this. I haven't had bangs like ever, but like, look at the quality of this hair, you guys. Like, this hair is so freaking luxurious. It just moves beautifully. Like, this is that bad bitch hair. Like, you have this hair when you are a bad one. A link to this hair will be listed down below if you guys are interested in picking up this unit. This unit is 26 inches of luxuriousness. I would definitely say, if you are to pick up this unit, to maybe go up in the density. Like, I don't know why, but long units are a lot more thin than other units. So yeah, definitely go up on the density if you are interested in picking up this wig. But yeah, thank all of you guys so much for watching today's tutorial. I hope you guys really liked it, and I'll see all of you guys in my next one. Bye!